Hello everyone, welcome to the last video tips and tricks for the tablet of Chuwi Hi10Go. I will give you some tips to make that tablet stuff a little bit better, the experience. First of all, I will show you something. I don't need this keyboard with touchpad because the reason of that all is just it's too small for me to use it. It's really small and my finger can't handle that. I don't know, maybe someone else can handle that. I bought just another keyboard. It was from another company and I don't need a touchpad too. I bought it separate, so I bought a other case and other keyboard, and yeah. First of all, just buy a dongle, a Type C to USB dongle. It's just important for you to input a keyboard and something else. Then go to Amazon or another company, go and buy a Bluetooth dongle. The reason why I tell you that is just the problem is the internal Bluetooth mainboard chip input is very terrible. I bought a separate dongle because the dongle is set up or set up the range of my in-ear-Kopf headset, and that's important. That's better than everything. The keyboard don't have any problems. Sometimes if I wrote some letters or some text, they disconnected and connected, but with the dongle it doesn't happen anymore. That's one reason why I told you buy a Type C to USB 3.0 adapter. Buy you a cover, also for your tablet. I bought just one. It's not that same, but I bought some that. I don't choose the cover for the real tablet. I mean, if you can cut out a hole, it's okay, but I don't need it to buy. It's not important for me. And I bought this keyboard here. The reason of that, it's a little bit longer and your keys can better type in. These smaller stuff are very terrible, really, it's terrible. I don't know how to explain that, but this keyboard has more space and the shape is not terrible. The other keyboard for that one, is very small and I can handle that. It's small but I can't handle it, you know, and that's terrible for me, and that's why I chose this keyboard right now. It's a Galaxy keyboard KM14. For my opinion, for my reason, it's perfect. You can choose every keyboard for you. And the other stuff is there's a separate tablet holder, so you don't need to buy a keyboard holder. It's very great. So another reason what I figured out was which web browser do you use for the tablet. The problem was I tried 4 types of web browser, and I was a user of Mozilla Firefox, but Firefox is very terrible for this tablet because every time you go in full screen, not in if you push on the keyboard the full screen mode, just in maximized window or maximized window. The problem was Firefox minimized, also go out from the maximized window and goes to the normal mode, also just like that, and it happens every time if you search on Google something or type in the address bar something else. It's very terrible. I was a long user of Mozilla Firefox because I thought it was great to the tablet, but the next problem, the tablet goes or just overheats sometimes. If you watch some videos on YouTube or something else, it's going very hot, and I changed it. I tried Chrome, Opera, also Mozilla Firefox also, and Edge. Edge works very fine for the tablet, so the standard web browser for Microsoft Windows 11. It was great. Chrome, it's too hard to figure it out. I just use Chrome, Opera, and it's very great for me. That's the sound. That's really great. Opera is really small, but you can handle that. And I use Opera for my own, so I show you that. That's my tablet. Don't worry about the borders right side and left. The problem is that the borders exist because the resolution are not great, and you see that's my tablet. I switch it up and down. That's it's the Opera version of the tablet. And one thing that I figured out, it was that if you had this tablet, if you want to close a tab, you must push on your finger and go to just tab close. That's one thing, but it's very bad for that. But and another reason that the sound, the web browser is very great, and it's fast. It's just fast, and your battery life is great because you can turn on the battery stuff on your tablet and on Opera too, so it's not goes too fast empty. But it's your choice. I give you some tips. If you want to use that, I use Opera. Opera is great for the tablet, and Edge. I like the other, or like Tor or something else. I don't use it. I didn't use it. Or the other web browser. Brave. I don't use it or others. So and I showed in the last video, if you had not install Intel Support Assistant. That's great for the Intel chip devices, CPU, and to install a new version of your USB, of your Bluetooth device, and WLAN wireless. That's important, trust me. So thank you for watching. for watch my video and have a nice day and bye bye.